The car followed by motorcycles.
Tom Cruise was shot here with Mission Impossible with the car going down.
The funny part of the scene, you know, he was going down, you know, chased by motorcycles, and he took a left turn, and he ended up in Casablanca in the film.
Up on top, you got souvenir shops down here. So if you want to get anything, you can get it here. Well, I'm here in Rabat, and there's the coastline. The guys out there. We got surfers out there. A little jetty here. It's the Atlantic Ocean. So it's right there, an old fortress. A couple cannons down at the bottom there, and places to eat, rent boats and whatnot there. Very nice. Looks like they got an old lighthouse up there and a graveyard in the back. But yeah, come around here, good view of the Atlantic Ocean here. So and right here, and there it is, right in back of me, the Atlantic Ocean here. So what more could you ask for here on a beautiful sunny day here? All right, M1 Man Travel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, this is the same thing from the other side. We were just over there, met some people from New York. I was talking to them, and possibly some new subscribers, I hope, here. But this is a city, more in a nicer part of the city here. More, look at it, it's very nice down here. They got the steps all done there. But yeah, big place over there, gigantic beach there. Not too much in the way of waves. Like I said, we saw some surfers down there, but very little waves, very little waves. We're just walking back down, getting our way back down to the bus there. See some more shops and places that have coffee and whatnot. Now we're coming up from a restaurant which we ate, which is Kimbo right there. Had a very good margarita pizza. And we're coming up here back to the bus, and they got the waterfront over here with all the boats and everything here. We got the Incredible Hulk coming up here. Here we go. Incredible Hulk. Here he is. The Hulkmaster. Incredible Hulk. There he is there. Right there. All right. Everybody kicked in his crotch there, I can see. Yeah, there he is. Okay. Incredible Hulk. And we got some other animals up here. This looks like Barbie land here because it's all pink and everything. You got all the flowers here and everything. And you got, I forget what this is called. It looks like the Amoco thing from Amoco Gas or something there. I don't know. And we got 2030. This is something coming up, World Cup, FIFA World Cup coming up in 2030 here. So they're all getting ready for that. That's going to be big deal. And you got here all the flowers, and these are probably paper. Yeah, they're all paper here. But yeah, everything here. All the flowers there, yeah. And you got the elephant here. He's got a donut on the side of him here. Yeah, well, I don't know what the significance of the donut is, but you got a giraffe back there. Maybe they sell donuts in there, I don't know. But there he is. The old elephant there. Little elephant noise there for you. All right. I'm at the donut place here, sitting in my chair here, just relaxing, seeing all the people going by and seeing how they're doing here. I'm saying hi to all my fans out there. I didn't have a donut here, but I'm sitting in the chair. So goodbye, my friends. Bye-bye. Thank you. We got like a cougar here. We got the horse here. He's got a couple burgers on the side of him here. So yeah, you got your burger there. You got your horse here. It says, do not ride the horse. But it looks like a lot of people have ridden him here because either that or the environment. And another burger there. There you go. Everything you could possibly want. A little restaurant in there. Watch the cord. And not much else up here.